I got the red Ageis X by Geekvape. I got the Ageis X plastic flexible cover. I've got a HOHM technology lithium ion battery charger. This one's charged and this one is not. I got your GTL 3.7 volt 42 milliwatts. I got 18650 3000 milliwatts, but they're both 3.7. So let's go for the bigger bang for your buck first. Okay, this is your Geekvape. You slide this down to prop it open. Okay, now on this you'll see that this first one is going to be negative, so this is going to be your negative side. So that's negative. That goes in like that. Your positive is always going to be your differently covered one. Your differently colored one. That's always positive in electricity. Okay, you hit your draw button, which is this one right here. That's your draw button. This is your up volume, and that's your down volume. You hit your draw button 5 times, turn on. Hit your draw button 5 times to turn on. I don't know why, but I had to reset it. Okay, now you hit your draw button 3 times to adjust your memory. This is your power. This is your bypass. This is your TRC. This is your temperature. But the main one I want to do is M1 for the power. Powerful, there we go. I want to adjust that. Now what you do is you hit your volume or your up and down button twice and hold it together to go into the settings mode. I can't only get it to lock right now for some reason. I'm just going to shut it off and restart it. 5 times once again to get the battery started. There you go. 1, 2, 3 times to get that going. It's locked, no wonder. Unlock is holding it down. Now from this menu, you hold the both buttons down. Now you can go into that's your auto right there. You want that on. Make sure you turn that on. This is your reset. This is your automatic battery balance. This is your version. Now they got a new version out there, and I'll show you on a later video how to do that. This is your color change. I have blue, beautiful eyes, so I like the blue. Now we can change the theme on this as well to whatever you want. I like this one. Okay, from there, that's all you do. With that is my first video of technology and sobriety. Thank you very much, and God bless.